The tourist bowls from Terra Incognita are 3 different models, which are new arrivals, that have recently appeared. One model, Sil Bol, is a collapsible silicone bowl. Alu Bol is an anodized aluminum bowl with collapsible handles, and Sil Bol is a stainless steel bowl with collapsible handles. The Sil Bol has a volume of 550 ml. It is made of food-grade rigid silicone with a hard plastic bottom. The design of the bowl allows it to be unfolded and folded, which significantly saves space during transportation. It can be used for both hot and cold dishes. The silicone is designed for use with temperatures up to 150 degrees. This bowl cannot be placed over an open flame. The bottom of the bowl can be used as a cutting board. The weight and dimensions are as follows. Alu Bol. It has a volume of 550 ml. Made of anodized aluminum. The handles are collapsible and covered with heat-resistant silicone. The bowl can be used on a gas stove, for example, to boil water, heat food, or even for cooking. It comes with a luminous bag. The weight and dimensions are as follows. The steel bowl has a volume of 500 ml. It is made of food-grade stainless steel with a thickness of 0.5 mm. It has collapsible handles, also made of stainless steel. This bowl can be used on a gas burner, as well as over an open fire. The weight and dimensions of this bowl are as follows. Links to all 3 models will be in the video description.